Lucent Health Online is the web portal that offers a centralized area for clients and members to access their Lucent Health products and services. To get started, visit lucenthealth.com/Cypress. Scroll toward the Access the Portal section of the page and click on the member icon. Enter your username and password in the login screen. At the top of the page, click on the I'm Here Too button. From here, you can select Look Up Claims to view your claims and other dependents' claims. You can also select View Summary of Eligibility and Benefits, then click Next on the far right side of the screen to view your current coverage. If you are using Google Chrome, there will be a PDF document that will pop up in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. If not, please try a different internet browser. Inquire About My Prescription Benefit redirects you to your Prescription Benefit Manager or PBM. Search for Provider gives you the ability to search for a network provider. Contact Lucent Health takes you to a secure messaging tool to contact Lucent Health staff. Under My Benefit Resources, you can access your ID card by clicking on View My ID Card. Keep in mind, this is available only after your enrollment has been processed by Lucent Health and an ID card has been produced. To view or make a copy of your ID card, click on the Submit button and open in New Window. You can also click on View Summary Plan Descriptions and Other Benefit Materials to access any resources you may need.